Hi everyone. As we go into this holiday season, we just want to give you a couple of tips and tricks to help avoid those aches and pains that can creep up while we're decorating, cooking, or wrapping. So the first thing I want to talk about is with lifting or bending down to get anything, we really want to think about a hip hinge. And what that is pushing our butt back and keeping that back flat. So we hinge at the hips, keeping our back flat, and that allows us to bend down and grab anything without putting too much stress on our back. Okay. And then the other one for lifting or decorating, if you're trying to reach that top of the tree, okay, is to have a nice staggered stance. And then you want to weight shift forward to go above your head. And then when you're coming down and you bring whatever it is close to your body, and then you weight shift back. That allows us to use our nice powerful leg muscles instead of relying on the back. The last thing I want to talk about is if we're standing for a long time, whether it's wrapping or cooking, because we all know that that really can start to ache on the back when we've been cooking for a long time. So the two important things for you are going to be finding a nice neutral countertop that's a good height for you where you're not having to be bent over or in this position because that puts a lot of stress on our neck and can cause neck and shoulder tension. And if we're rounded through here, then we're also pulling on our back muscles. So staying up nice and tall, finding something that's a good height so that we're here, and then making sure we always have a little bit of bend in our knees. Okay, sometimes we have the tendency to lock out our knees, and that puts a lot of stress on the back. So we have a little bit of bend in our knees, and then that nice neutral countertop where we're able to do everything right in front of us should help us keep feeling good throughout that cooking and wrapping spree that we all do. I hope this helps you guys get through the holidays.